The handlebars, come from this part out here. So as long as you're not getting into those, you'll likely be okay. And I found that even if you make a little error, it still grows back. All right, let's stop there and style it up and see what we have. With this in mind, now what I like to do is just get a little V. Right in the middle there, just so it's not coming straight across. And even a little bit up here. Sharp scissors really do help. All right, let's stop there. Let's go ahead and style up now with the Donut Explorer's